This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, Physics Homework number 21, questions 5 and 6. Question 5 says, the potential difference in a simple circuit is 13 volts. Potential difference is another word for voltage for us. So the potential difference of a simple circuit is 13 volts, and the resistance is 20 ohms. So I've got 13 volts here. I have a resistance of 20 ohms. What current flows this through the circuit? So I'm looking for the current that is flowing through the circuit, leaving the battery, going through the resistance. And so I know that I is V over R, so that's going to be 13 volts divided by 20 ohms is going to give me my current. And so that's question number 5, and that'll be my current in amps. Question number 6 says, how many electrons pass a given point in the circuit in 16 minutes? Well, that's kind of strange. So if I just want to look at this one place right here, I want to know how many electrons are passing by there. Well, I know my current in so many amps. Well, I know that 1 amp is the same thing as 1 coulomb passing by in 1 second. So I'm going to use that information and start with 16 minutes. So this is really going to turn into a conversions problem. So I have 16 minutes, and I want to get rid of minutes and get to seconds. I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. That way minutes will cancel out. The next thing I do is I have seconds. Well, I know that an amp is a coulomb per second. So however many amps this is that many coulombs in 1 second. So if this were 7.5 amps, it'd be 7.5 coulombs per second. So this is going to be my coulombs per 1 second. So this is going to be my current from earlier on. An amp is a coulomb per second. So then seconds will cancel out. But I don't want coulombs. I want individual electrons. How many electrons? So now I know that coulombs can go in the bottom, and I want electrons up top. And I know that 1 electron has a magnitude of charge of 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. So now coulombs will cancel out. The only thing left here, with minutes gone, seconds gone, and coulombs gone, is electrons. So this will tell me how many electrons pass by in 16 minutes. So 16 minutes, that's how many seconds. That's how many coulombs per second, so that'll give me how many coulombs, and that's how many electrons per coulomb, so that'll give me the number of electrons. And this is something really good to remember if you are planning on taking a test with me sometime soon.